The BBP-2 from Park Tool is a comprehensive kit for installing and removing press-fit bottom bracket bearings, cups, and adapters. The BBP-2 includes 6 sets of precision-machined bushings for installing bottom brackets with widths from less than 68 mm to over 150 mm. Also included are 8 installation drifts for installing standalone cartridge bearings into existing bottom bracket cups. Utilizing and expanding collet and extractor cup system, the BBP-2 can also safely remove bottom brackets and bottom bracket cartridge bearings, all without requiring any impact. Built around Park Tool's trusted press assembly, which features an oversized shaft and magnetic backplate for quick and easy setup, and organized into 2 convenient storage cases, the BBP-2 is the complete and safe way to work on press-fit bottom brackets. The BBP-2 from Park Tool.